What's up? It's Austin from Support. In today's quick training video, I wanted to talk about email alerts. So as you know, if you have stocks on your watch list, specifically the portfolio watch list, you will automatically receive email alerts on these stocks. So when you add a stock to your portfolio here, you can add on the update section where you bought it, where you shares, your commissions, your notes, and all those amazing things. When you have that there and a stock is on the portfolio section, then you'll automatically receive email alerts 3 times a day. So for instance, if it changes 3 times that day, then you will get 3 different alerts, but it's going to alert you every single time the recommendation changes. And those alerts go out at 9 a.m., at 11:30 a.m., and at 2:30 p.m. CST. So those are when the email alerts will be sent out automatically for the portfolio stocks. So again, that's how you get those stocks to stay up to date on your portfolio, what you should do, and how to monitor those stocks. Now, in addition to that, if you come here, so you're not going to be able to see it under settings, but I can show it here. Every single day at noon, I send out, or the software sends out, a high noon stock alerts. What this is, it is the top stocks that have just become great buys today. So when you receive that email, you know, oh my gosh, these are the best stocks today. These stocks were literally just alerted as buys. And so you can check those out right there. So what it does is it's going to show you the top stocks from the US market, up to 10 of them. It's going to show you the top stocks in international markets. Again, it can have up to 10, but it depends on how many stocks have become great buys today. And it looks like only 3 have become great buys today, but still it gives you a great chance to jump on it. For instance, TTOO was alerted as a great buy today, and if you didn't have the chance to check out the screener, you got this automated email alert. You could have jumped on it, and it literally went up 50%. So that's an amazing way to stay up to date on some of the most amazing stocks. Again, if you want to check out the screener, you can click on this link and go straight to it from the email. Now again, guys, in addition to that, there is one more set of email alerts you get, and that is the crash alerts email. So a few days before the software expects a crash to happen based on the algorithm and the math that it runs, when it expects a crash to come, it will send you an email alert. Hey guys, this is a crash that's coming. This is the chance of it occurring, and this is what you should do to protect your portfolio. And that's exactly what that email alert does. So that will send out automatically as well. If you don't want to receive email alerts on your portfolio, you can click this. That means the stocks that you own in your watch list. If you don't want to receive the daily high noon report or the stock market crash alerts, then you can uncheck this and click update, and you will no longer receive those emails. All right, guys, I hope that helps. I know email alerts are a great way for you to stay up to date without having to worry about anything. Text alerts are coming, and I'm super excited to bring that. All right, guys, enjoy.